Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a character walk-in cycle animation in Blender. Firstly, we open the Mixamo website. If you have an Adobe account, you can easily log in and select and use the character and animation what you want. I choose any character and type walk-in search for animation. So after complete the setting, I do the upload process and the file type is uploaded from the FBX type, which as you can see. Then I delete the cube shape when I open the Blender program. I click on File on the top left, select Import and click FBX. I found the FBX file, I uploaded and click Import. The character is uploaded to Blender and then click on push down action, which as you can see, and create an action for animation. Thank you for watching.